Hello, this is a video tour of 3416 18th Street in the Mission. We're at the exterior of the building. It's located in a very, very convenient location. You have your call box to the right. You enter through secured gates. The mailbox are through the doors, so it is very secure. The entrance to the unit is to the left here. And there is a little seating area in back of the door, which is a fun feature to have. You're right around the corner from all the wonderful restaurants, coffee houses, shops, and conveniences in the Mission. Okay, so here we are in the unit. You have the common space towards the back, but we're going to start the tour off towards the front of the building. Okay, nice big foyer. Over here to the left is one grand room. You have laminate wood floors throughout. This unit's been recently renovated. Nice big rooms, bay window, and here is a view out this window. This is a very quiet building with lots of natural light. Very spacious unit as well. Okay, so here is the second room. You have a bay window. This one has a good sized closet. Lots of natural light. And down the hallway, just a little bit to the right here, is a third room. This one has a closet as well. And this is located off the street, so very, very quiet. Okay, and here is the closet for this room. And now we're going to head on down to the smaller bedroom. It does have a closet. I would say this will fit a full-size bed. Possibly a queen, but not much more. Okay, and then you have this nice big foyer. This room over here is another bedroom. Again, off the street. And you have a good-sized closet here as well. You have a bar and shelf up on top. Okay, back into the hallway. Over here to the left is a half bath. So you have your toilet. 3/4 bath. So here you have a sink and shower. And you have a nice big shower head here. Lots of windows and medicine cabinet. There's also some storage space here as well. Okay, and here is the second full bathroom. You have a shower, toilet, sink. Shower has a big shower head. And nice big living room. This living room does have a closet as well. This is the view out the living room, so you see the back of many homes. It does not face the street, and it is somewhat open to the kitchen. Nice, big, beautiful eat-in kitchen. You have a gas range, dishwasher, stone counters, lots of cabinet and counter spaces. As you can see here, plenty of room for a table or additional kitchen island space. There's your refrigerator, and you have private stackable laundry machines. Okay, if you're interested in this magnificent space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.